interesting videos. And without further wasting time, let's go. So today's topic is nutrition in animals part 1. So, what is holozoic nutrition? Holo means whole, zoikos means of animals, whole of animals. Types of holozoic nutrition. Herbivores. Herbivores are those organisms which feed on plants. Carnivores are those organisms that feed on other organisms. And omnivores are those organisms that feed both on plants and other animals. So, nutrition in animals. Definition. Nutrition is defined as the process of intake of food and its utilization in body. Steps of nutrition. Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and digestion. First we take the food, then it gets digested, then it's carried to our anus and it's released. The waste is released. The digestive system. It contains the mouth or the buccal cavity, esophagus or food pipe, liver, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. There is a pharynx. Now there are two types of digestion: mechanical, which is called physical, and chemical. Enzymatic reactions to improve digestion of. Now, in mechanical digestion, we chew, tear, grind, mash, and mix with the saliva the food. Chemical. Now, enzymatic reactions to improve digestion of carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins. Now, here is the structure of a tooth. As we can see here, you can see this part here. You can see this part is the neck of a tooth, and this part is the crown of a tooth, and this part, which is embedded in the skin of the mouth, is called the root. It's not visible. So we will move on to our next slide. Here are 4 types of tooth: incisors, canine, premolar, and molar. Here we can see the roots and the crown and the neck of each teeth. So we will move on to our next slide, which is this slide, in which we can see the diagram of a tongue. We can see that the sweet part, the sweet taste buds of the tongue is at the tip of the tongue. The salty taste buds are the side of the tongue, and as same as the salt, but it's a little bit further from the tip. And the bitter is at the last, as you can see here in yellow color. When we eat a bitter gourd, we completely chew it and then we got to know that it's bitter. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you and have a nice day.